We broke it.
We?
Okay, I broke it. Hey, welcome back everybody. It's still upgrade time here on the OBS GMC project we've got in the shop. And we just had some parts come in today that we've been waiting on for a while. And I'm gonna show you what it is. So, we've got a nice set of stainless steel Nerf bars that's gonna be going on the truck. The reason I'm gonna do that is, honestly, it's just going to give us a little easier access once we get the lift on the truck, and we're going to be starting on that very soon as well. So you'll see, you know, how it all comes together. We've also got wheels and tires that's going to be going on after we get the lift on, and a few other goodies that you're probably not going to see till the end. And honestly, you're going to love it. So as a customer, he doesn't really know necessarily about the stuff as of yet, but he will see it soon enough. So once we put it all together and we do the final, yeah, you're going to see how it all comes together, and it's going to be absolutely just amazing. So okay, so let's go ahead and get started on the install here. So basically what it tells you to do, like most kits, you'll start on your body bolt right here, because this is what they bolt onto, is the body bolt. So I'm going to go ahead and grab an impact. We're going to start getting that out, and then we can get them on. All right, so we got the first one out. I want to show you something. And most of the time, these are gone. And this truck's actually in decent shape. The bushing and everything's in good shape. You know, never really been in rust or salt. So there's nothing that would degrade it like it would, you know, in this area. And just goes to show you, you know, the truck's been very well taken care of, and it's actually been down in Florida, so yeah, big difference. All right, so yeah, before I tighten that down completely, I'm gonna get it kind of set right there. I'm gonna need the one for the rear, and then I'm gonna jump back here. I'm gonna take the rear one loose, and then we'll get it on there, and then we'll kind of adjust it on what it's gonna look like. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm gonna go take the rear body mount loose, and we can get it adjusted where it needs to go. Pray that this one comes apart like the last one. Oh, that was horrendous. Alright, it's coming loose, but way different than the other one. So I'm gonna have to get it broke loose with a breaker bar here in the toolbox. Handy dandy bar. And I'm going to reach underneath here and get it broke loose. Oh, come on.
Is that rust or sand?
Oh shit. Well, a little bit of rust, a little bit of sand.
Sounds like a bad country song.
Well, it's a bad situation because look what happened. We broke it.
We?
Okay, I broke it. But that means now I get to go up inside here and drill out the rest of it. So this just turned from a 20-minute job into, oh holy shit, fun times. Now we know.
Okay.
Well, so I guess at this point we might as well just get ready to go ahead and it's in there so good it's even stuck. It's rusted. It's rust welded. It's stuck to that. So, oh goody. Well,
You have to get a bushing too.
no, the bushing's good. I mean, literally the bushing's in great shape. It's just the daggone thing is rusted out. So yeah, I'll just have to get up in there and get it loose. Hopefully we don't have to take the interior apart again.
Why do we have to take the interior apart?
Because where it's located on the body mount.
I just got the interior put together.
Yeah.
Double pay. That's a throwback.
Oh, let's see how bad this is. All right, so it's right here in the cam corner. All right, so I've got all the other mounts loose on this. The other one on the rear of the back broke off just the same as this one, but now I'm going to take a nut and see if I can weld it on there and hopefully get to spin the little pieces left in it out. So we're going to try that real quick, and if not, then, you know, and it breaks off some more, it's just, we're going to have to drill it. So let's go ahead and give it a whirl. All right, so if you look closely, right here is the stud, and the bolt just barely fits up over top of that right there. All right, so I'm hoping I could weld to that and be able to spin the rest of that out, but we're about to find out, so let's get to it. Heat up some so that way it'll really get this hot. Ow. Yeah, there we go. Get hot. Okay, well, let's see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. All right, looks like it just broke the nut loose, so we'll try it again. Okay, so I wanted to just show you real quick what I did to get this loose. Now, the issue I was having was I welded a nut on it, it would break off. Weld a nut on it, break off. So I tried that a few times. It just wasn't strong enough to hold on to it to get it off there. So eventually what I started doing was building the bolt up itself, at least the part that was sticking out of the cab mount, and I actually got a stud extractor on it and stuck the impact on it, and that's what did the trick. So now I'm going to finish taking this thing out, and I'll show you what's left of the bolt. Let's get you down here. All right, where you can see what I'm doing. All right, if you can see that. Now, like I said, I am just spinning this bad boy on out after I got it broke loose with the impact. And there it is. That's all the holdup was, and I'll show you how much I had to hold on to there. So 1 second. Okay, get this light off where you can actually see me. See what I'm talking about here. But literally, I did not have much to hold on to. Still, that's literally all I had to hold on to, was that right there. So if you notice, all I did was build it up enough to where my exhaust stud extractor would actually fit on that, got it in there and got it out. And that might actually help you guys if you ever run into this again. And like I said, it's just a matter of figuring out what you got to do in order to get it out of there. So again, just persistence. Like I said, I did soak it with PB Blaster, and I can see it actually went all the way through because it is got a little bit on it. That actually helped get it loose. But yeah, that was a beast. Literally, I had about that much to hold on to. So, but we got it. Now we can get the new bolts in. Now we can get our parts on it, and we're in good shape. So, on with the build. All right, so now we're going to do the same thing to the other side. Basically, we're going to jack it up. I'm going to reach in there and get the body mount itself out, the bushing, and then we'll try to get the piece of bolt that broke off on this side out. So what we're going to do first, we're going to start jacking this thing up. Until I can actually see how far I'm at. Oh wow, there's a bunch of this one sticking out. This should not be that bad. There's your body mount. As long as it don't break off right there. Now, I'm gonna go get my light, and I'm going to generously soak this thing with some PB Blaster. Like I said, this one's kind of crusty too, but overall intact. It's just the bolts are rusting off inside of it, which is kind of strange, but hey, you know what? It's okay. We'll get it. All right. Now, I think we should probably start off with a little bit of heat. What do you think? Some heat?
Wait, you need the torch?
Yeah, the torch.
Okay.
Small one.
Small. Yeah.
We'll use the MAP gas for that. I think we can get it out like that. Get it
This
getting
guy?
hot.
This one?
Yeah.
Does this thing last forever, dude?
I'm starting to wonder.
I've never seen you buy another one.
Wow, it's just like kind of gets some of the crud to fall out of it. It's crazy.
I'm on the edge of my seat right now.
And again, my stud extractor, we're going to give this a whirl, see if this actually works on this one. So let's try it and we'll let you know the results. All right, so we got the impact on this thing. Let's see what happens. Hot dog, and there it is. Still smoking. And that's all it takes. Like I said, the other one I had to weld onto it, and it kind of extended a little bit in order to get it out. But this one, like I said, I'll show you once I get it off here how much I actually had, which it is still pretty hot. You know, that was a lot harder to hold than I thought. But that's how much I actually had of this one, and that's probably why it come out so easily, is because, I mean, you've got, you know, probably 1.5 inches of, well, almost bolt remaining, but there's how big it's supposed to be. There's how big it's rusted down to, and that's how you get these out. So now we can go ahead and get our steps on, and, well, learn something today, a little trick. Let's get to it, folks. Okay.
We need.
Now I am trying to get these brackets tightened up for our steps. Straight to you, looks straight to me.
Yeah. I need it straight.
Yeah, and you're wondering why I put this one on there without the bushing. I put it on there without the bushing to make sure it was going to thread into the hole where we had so much trouble getting this one loose. So, but we're good. It goes right in just like the other one. So. All right, so let's go ahead and stick this bad boy on here. All right, let's check it out. Handy dandy pocket knife. actually looks pretty nice. I'm not gonna lie. No give. All right, now we just got one side to do, and that's pretty much the end of it. So, like I said, let's get this other side done and see what it looks like. All right, so we have got the steps on there. You saw what it takes to do that, and you saw the issue that we ran into. Like I said, I broke one of the bolts getting it out, and honestly, it's good that that happened now, because if the customer had gotten these back and these bolts had sheared off out on the highway, it could have been potentially dangerous for the customer. So at least we did find that. That is a good thing. But now you know how to get those out. And like I said, one of them I had a weld to, the other one literally just heated it up and put the impact and it came right out. But we had a little bit more bolt to work with as well. But let's go ahead and check these out and let me know what you think. All right, so I don't think they turned out bad. I think it actually offsets a little bit of the chrome that's on the truck, so it kind of goes together well. Not over the top, but enough to where it looks like it flows, and I'm okay with that. And I think the customer's going to appreciate it. Honestly, I don't even think the customer knows about these because I never said anything, so I don't think that he knows that we're getting these when we go and get the lifts on the truck. That's going to be the next thing we're doing, lift and then wheels and tires. But surprise, you got a set of steps now. I know you mentioned something about it, so now you do. But anyway, folks, these same steps are available on our website, so if you want to check it out, go to Rods&Rifles customs.com and you can get you a set for $179 on this brand. We've got another black set that's available for $159. And that comes with free shipping too. So check it out. You want a set, you want to get some of these for your truck, we got different makes and models available. But for now, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next episode.